What's up, everyone? I've got a 2000 Chevrolet 3/4 ton crew cab, 4-wheel drive, short bed. It's got the Vortec 454, runs good, drives around the lot. Truck is rust free. It's got a few dings and dents. Pretty nice inside the bed. .285 size tires. Interior needs a little bit of work, but not too bad. It's got 179,000 miles. It's got a dent on the hood. Engine sounds good. There's your option codes. Okay, we got an extra box of parts that come with this truck. Looks to be like a 2 to 3 inch lift kit that's never been put on. There's some new ball joints, there's U-bolts, there's blocks. Got your keys. The person started to put the lift on because I noticed there's some upper control arm bolts that are loose. So those bolts need to be pulled out, need to do your alignment after you put your lift on, if you choose to do the lift. So it's a good project truck. Runs, can drive up on your trailer. Rust-free crew cab, 3/4 ton. If you're interested, send us an email or give us a call. No, I don't want your trade. No, I'm not going to finance for you. You can show up with a trailer if you want to hear it run. Thanks for watching.